Hello everyone! So I've been recently watching a show called The Hoarders Next Door, and that got me thinking, maybe I should start decluttering my room, because I was like looking around and I noticed that I do have a lot of stuff that I like don't need or use or like care for anymore. I'm gonna clean my bookshelves. I normally win books and I get them here, or like I bought books over time and I still haven't read it, and then there are other books I know I'm not gonna read it, and I don't want to waste my time reading books I don't really care, you know? I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of any mangas, because I've been recently threw away a lot of mangas, and I don't know. We'll find out right now. Holy cow, I look very short. Oh no. Okay, so I changed clothes because my PJs were a little bit see-through. You couldn't see it in the camera, thank God. But like I could see it, so I was like, I'm gonna change it, you know? Alright, so I removed the top part. Now off to the bottom part. Oh, so much dust. I've noticed a few things that I'm like, I could get rid of this, I could get rid of that. But other things that I'm like, I don't know. But like, my goal is to get rid of enough stuff so it doesn't feel too cluttered, you know? I wish they made a third one of this. I have the first two, but like, I don't think they ever created the third one. It was a cute bug too. Do you guys remember this show? Witch? Ooh, I love that show so much. And then Winx Club? Oh my god. That's my childhood right there. Even though I was like maybe in my teens or something. I don't know. Okay, so now time to tackle this. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna get rid of anything, because like throughout my lifetime, oh my god, because with time I have like slowly starting getting rid of manga. I don't know, maybe I'll get rid of something, maybe not, but at least I'm gonna clean it up. But yeah, no, look, it's starting to get crowded. I'm so sad that this one doesn't fit in an aisle, like inside, you know? It's like up here, and that kind of bothers me a little bit. But yeah, let's keep going. I think I told this like a long time ago, but if you're new here, this was my first ever manga that I bought, and the first manga that I read was Fruit Basket. What was your first manga that you read? Ooh, I love Decluttering. I really want to start collecting this one, like trying to find all the series. I have like 3, as you can tell. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I like mangas that don't require buying a lot of volumes, because you know they tend to get a little pricey. But yeah, so after a while, like I would collect mangas that only have like 2 volumes or something like that. 3 volume, 5 was the max. I would like Google it and be like, okay, so how many volumes does this one have? Because I remember purchasing like this book, and it'd be like, how much is it? $10.95. And like at that time I didn't have a job, and that was kind of pricey, you know? I remember I went to my local book off and bought this, and it was like sealed, and it had this cute items with it. So cute. So my cousin gave me this manga, this comic, like was it comic book manga? This like a pack manga. And it has Tokyo Mew Mew. That was another of my favorite shows. I heard that they're gonna do like a reboot or a reboot, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait until it comes to the US. And like, I just love the artwork here. Like, it's so pretty. Like, here, this one, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And then they came out with the sequel. So that's all my mess right there. Okay, so as you can see in the background, I have all the books in that little section right there. So now I grabbed my bag, my little, what is it, trash bag. I'm putting all the stuff, okay, not all the stuff, but like a few of my stuff in there. Oh wait, in here. So yeah, let's keep going. Okay, now, so these Portuguese, French, and Italian books I'm gonna keep because I like looking through it. I sometimes look through it and study it. So keep. Ash Princess. I love the cover. Okay, let me read it. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna keep it one more year. If I don't read it, I'm gonna donate it. Oh, okay, I've been wanting to read this book. I still haven't had the time though. So, still keeping it. Keeping it. Now, this one, Politically Correct Bedtime Stories, A Modern Tale for Our Life and Times. I don't care. Honestly, I don't care for it. So in the donation pile it goes. Oh, my comic book from Powerpuff Girls. No, I'm keeping that. And then Bob's Burgers. Love this show. I thought it was actually dirty, but not his apron. Oop. So I decided to separate my books because it was starting to get a little bit overwhelming. So I'm going to do it bit by bit. So I put these and then I'm going to look through them and see if I like them or not. So that's how I'm going to keep going. I'm going to grab it and then put it here. Or, you know, just trying to do it like section by section. So this book, I love the art of this. But I don't even know if I should get rid of it. I don't know. Okay, this is a maybe, okay? If I like the art, then maybe not. Hold Back the Tide. I'm going to give it a try. I like this one. This is a good book. All my Archies, I know they're really old, but I am not in the frame. Oh no. I know they're really old, but I like them. And then I kept this series because I love the artwork, but I know I'm never gonna read it. So yeah. These books, I bought all of the volumes. I don't want to throw them away because I'm also not done with them. Am I gonna read it? I think I will. I don't know if anytime soon though. For this one, the Legion book series, the third one still hasn't came out. I'm like waiting for it. These two, oh, I love those two books. Okay, so this is a bird's eye view of my books. There's more over there. I have no idea where to start. I guess just pick up a book and just put it on the shelf. The Archies novel. Comic books I'm gonna keep and put it right. It baffles me how like it doesn't move. Holy cow. Oh, okay. Yeah. This goes up here. Okay everyone, so I am done. As you can see, it still looks like a little bit crowded, but I did get rid of a lot of books. And I did get rid of one manga, and yeah, I'm happy for that. So it looks like a lot more cleaner because like this volume here was like on the side here, and so I finally put it inside where it's supposed to be at. Like, I like it, it's nice. So here is a closer view. It still looks like a lot, I know, but like I did get rid of a lot of stuff, a lot of books. And look at all these, and slowly but surely I'm gonna get rid of more and more books. But this is, I think it's a progress, honestly. It's nice, I'm happy about it. Okay, so I wanna show you a quick overview of all the books that I'm donating. I'm gonna donate this one called Dark Moon Diary. Cute, but I'm not attached to it. Here is a small overview. Wait, give me 1 second. Okay, so these are all my items that I'm gonna donate. I know it's not a lot, but it's something. It's something. Okay everyone, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my declutter video, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.